Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mitsubishi Lancer thermostat. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, pliers, and a drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. The thermostat housing is usually found where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine, making it accessible for removal. Next, position a drain pan beneath your radiator to catch the coolant. You can either open the radiator drain plug or carefully disconnect the lower radiator hose to drain about 2 to 3 liters of coolant. Once drained, remove the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Then, unbolt the 2 or 3 bolts, typically 12mm, that secure the housing in place. Now, carefully take out the old thermostat and its gasket. It's crucial to clean both mating surfaces on the engine and the housing to ensure a perfect seal. Install your new thermostat, making sure the small jiggle valve is positioned at the top, or 12 o'clock. Always use a brand new gasket to prevent any future leaks, ensuring a tight fit. Finally, reattach the thermostat housing and all hoses, tightening them securely. Refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically around 5 to 6 liters. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air. Monitor your temperature gauge and check for any leaks around the housing to ensure a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.